Okay, we have a KIA CEED, and this is how to reset the service interval. As indicated on here, it says servicing 442 miles. It's a nice easy guide, don't need any special tools. All you will need is the right hand side of the steering wheel. You'll need the top one, the up and down shifter, and the OK button. So first thing we do is turn ignition on, wait for everything to clear. Come over to the top button, the one that looks like a piece of paper, and we press that once, twice, until we get to the settings menu at the end. When we're on the settings menu, we then need the up and down shifter, so we come down until we see service interval. Then click the OK button to go into that. Then you'll see servicing 442 days, or whatever your system says. Now push and hold the OK button. So keep this pressed down. And if you keep it pressed down, it then comes up, reset the service distance. So we can go up and down to yes or no, but we want a yes. And then we click OK. And that's it, all reset, nice and easy.